I am here at World Video Bible School to tell you about a great new product that you and your congregation can use to teach and evangelize your neighbor. The Lord has told His church to go out and to teach the gospel unto all the world. Historically, we have used door knocking to reach our neighbors. But many times, door knocking does not appear or feel prosperous. Perhaps no one is at home or no one would come to the door, and especially in these times. But there are new ways we can use to teach our neighbors. World Video Bible School has hundreds of great evangelistic and teaching programs online that we, the church, can use to teach our neighbor. To share this resource, World Video Bible School has developed a series of beautiful and informative door hangers especially designed for the church to use in their door knocking or door hanging projects. Currently, there are 7 titles, with more to come. On the backs of each card is a QR code. If you're not familiar with QR codes, by using your smartphone camera, hover over the QR code and a link will appear. Click on that link and it will take you to that program. Placing door hangers on doors in your neighborhood is such an easy way to share the gospel. There are some evangelistic ladies over 80 years old using them in their neighborhood. Congregations could determine how many cards are needed for each member so they could assume responsibility to cover the houses in their neighborhood. For door hanging campaigns, the church may consider using different hanger titles to be used each month or each quarter, because one title may not interest them this month, but the next one might. There's also space on the back of each card for you to place your church's contact information. Based upon WVBS's experience, many people today do not like going to visit a church building that they know nothing about. They are also reluctant to call a phone number for the same reason. Perhaps what might work better is the following statement. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact us by email or text. Then, if someone contacts you by text or email, you'll be able to begin a relationship with them, hoping to establish a Bible study. From that Bible study relationship, you can help them with their religious questions and concerns with the goal of them obeying the gospel. These door hangers can be obtained from WVBS online or by phone. They're packaged in quantities of 250 pieces per title. If you have any questions regarding this product, please feel free to call us or email us at WVBS.